This video is just a quick announcement to let you know that my Game Dev Bootcamp is open now. It's a great way to learn game development where I've taken all of the best things that I know about game dev from teaching courses in the past and put them into a really tight package so that you can learn as much as possible in as short a period of time as possible. And in that time, we'll focus on teaching you how to build things the right way so that you can finish them, complete them, and not run into problems where it's just too difficult to actually make your game into a full game. You'll learn that whole process, including source control, build automation, and using the latest, greatest systems like the new input system and new camera systems. If that sounds interesting to you, go check out the link in the description below. There's a whole bunch more info and you can come join us today. If you wanted to get in the head of the class pass though, make sure that you do that really quick. I don't know if there's room anymore. It might have already filled up. People have already been taking their desks, customizing them, and getting in here and getting ready. So there's, I think, 2 or 3 slots left. If you're interested in that, again, just go check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.